The BroadcastChannel API allows basic communication between browsing contexts, that is, windows, tabs, frames, or iframes, and workers on the same origin. To be exact, communication is allowed between browsing contexts using the same storage partition. Storage is first partitioned according to top-level size. So, for example, if you have one open page at .a.com that embeds a iframe from b.com, and another page open to b.com, then the iframe cannot communicate with the second page, despite them being technically same origin. However, if the first page is also on b.com, then the iframe can communicate with the second page. By creating a broadcast channel object, you can receive any messages that are posted to it. You don't have to maintain a reference to the frames or workers you wish to communicate with. They can subscribe to a particular channel by constructing their own broadcast channel with the same name and have bidirectional communication between all of them. A client joins a broadcast channel by creating a broadcast channel object. Its constructor takes one single parameter, the name of the channel. If it is the first to connect to that broadcast channel name, the underlying channel is created. It is enough to call the postMessage method on the created broadcast channel object, which takes any object as an argument, an example string message. Data sent to the channel is serialized using the structure clone algorithm. That means you can send a broad variety of data objects safely without having to serialize them yourself. The API doesn't associate any semantics to messages, so it is up to the code to know what kind of message to expect and what to do with them. With the messages posted, when a message is posted, a message event is dispatched to each broadcast channel object connected to this channel. A function can be run for this event using the onMessage event handler. To leave a channel, call the close method on the object. This disconnects the object from the underlying channel, allowing garbage collection. The broadcast channel API's self-contained interface allows cross-context communication. It can be used to detect user actions in other tabs within the same origin, like when the user logs in or out. The messaging protocol is not defined, and the different browsing contexts need to implement it themselves. The messaging protocol is not defined, and the different browsing contexts need to implement it themselves. There is no negotiation nor requirement from the specification. The messaging protocol is not defined, and the different browsing contexts need to implement it themselves. There is no negotiation nor requirement from the specification.